How to fix business account can't be private on Instagram. In this video, I will show you how to fix business account can't be private on Instagram. First, open or launch the Instagram mobile application. You will land on the homepage of the app. From there, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to the settings and activity page of your account. After that, scroll down. Continue scrolling until you reach this section. From the section, tap on this option here named Account Privacy. It is found under Who Can See Your Content. You will land on this page where there is a toggle button you can use to manage the account privacy. When you tap on it, you will get this option informing us that we cannot switch our account to a private. Don't worry, I will show you what to do. Exit this section and go back to the main settings option. After that, scroll and tap on this option named Creator Tools and Controls. Next, you will land on this page that has all these different options that you can use to make changes to your account. From the options, tap on this one here named Switch Account Type. When you do that, this menu will appear from the bottom. Make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. Okay, let us proceed. In order to fix business account can't be private issue, you have to switch your account to a personal account. To do that, tap on this option here and you will get this pop-up that is asking you to confirm your action. So, proceed and switch the account into a personal account and the issue will be solved. That is how to fix business account can't be private on Instagram.